How to fix Google Chrome not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Google Chrome not working problem. So guys, for this you have to go to your mobile settings, and then you have to go to install app or app manager. Now you have to search for Chrome. Here is it, click on Chrome, and then you can see here force stop on the below of your screen. Click there and then press OK. And now you have to click on storage. Click on storage and you have to clear, you can see here clear data on the below of your screen. Click there and you have to clear all the cache here. Clear cache. You have to you have to click on clear cache, and then go back and you can see here app permission. Click on app permission and you have to allow all the permission here. You have to allow all the permission here, and then go back to your menu and restart your phone and reopen the Chrome. The problem will be solved. Thanks for